this guy on the left. He's pissed. Well, hello there. I am Bobby J, and welcome back to the channel. And thanks for tuning in for another episode of Doing Stupid Stuff with Bob. Today's mission is gonna go get a load of hot asphalt and try to pour that stuff by myself and fix some issues with my driveway. See, long story short, our road, the county repaved our road out in front and built a little apron coming into my place, and they don't really remove the old road. They just come in and resurface the new road with new pavement, stack new pavement on top of old pavement. Well, guess what? Now the road's 4 inches taller, and now the apron coming down into my driveway is just that much steeper, and the 30-footers wanting to drag on the pavement coming into my driveway because it's a pretty good little drop right into my place. So basically, long story short, I told the county, I said, hey, I can't get into my property without rubbing my tail across the ground, and what are we going to do about this? Before you resurface the road, I could get into my driveway, no issues at all. County says everything's to code, sorry about your luck. Went back and forth. At a certain point, really no point in really trying to argue too much. So, all right. So I'm going to go build an actual apron that I can use and get my equipment in and out of my place without any rubbing issues and whatnot. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to go get ourselves a hot load of asphalt. But first, I got to prep my driveway. What I'm going to do there is I'm going to go rent a Bobcat sweeper, skid steer attachment. We're going to go get this, try this out. I got a couple other things I want to try to clean up with it too while I've got it. We're going to see how one of these, I've always wanted one of these, way before the JCB, because I've had a Bobcat skid steer for like 15 years. Always wanted to get one of these all self-enclosed sweeper brooms, whatever you want to call it, that sweeps itself into its own bucket. I think they're pretty cool. And so I'm gonna go rent one, try one out for the first time, and get the area all prepped before I go get the asphalt. So that's where I'm headed, is to go pick up the sweeper. Let's give this thing a try. Not a bad deal. One thing that surprised me was the actual size of these enclosed sweepers. Things pretty big. I guess, I don't know, it's just, like I said, it surprised me when I got there. It's like, man, this thing's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. I had never seen one in person before. But one thing it's not is heavy. It's pretty light for its size. Okay, now I got my small bucket on, the half yarder, That's the one. It's got a nice cutting edge on it. This is the one I'm going to use to spread the hot asphalt. So now I got to go jump in the 04. Got the dump trailer already all hooked up, and go see if we can get ourselves some asphalt. What the heck? You're probably thinking, what the heck is he doing? You're spraying diesel all over your dump trailer. Well, I'll tell you what I'm doing. See, hot asphalt, it's some pretty sticky stuff. And an old trucker's trick, or at least that's what I call it. Maybe it's more common than that, but back when we used to haul asphalt commercially, long time ago, we had a set of bottom dumps. That was a trick, was you sprayed down your trailers with diesel, and that helped to keep the asphalt from wanting to stick to the sides of the trailer. So there we go. Now we're gonna head over here, see if we can get ourselves, I'm thinking it's sold by the ton, not by the yard. Thinking 8 tons, that's what I'm thinking. So let's go see if we can get ourselves 8 tons of asphalt. We're a little busy today. Hopefully that's not an issue. Jeez. On the scale we go. This place is an operation, man. They are the go-to place in this area for all kinds of aggregate, and one of the only places I'm aware of anyway that makes hot asphalt. So let's head over here to the asphalt plant, see if we can't manage to get loaded up. See, this guy on the left, he's pissed because the guy in the green right here, he went and passed him on the, oh, he's going, oh, what the fuck are you doing? You think you're doing it? Uh-oh, I see hands moving. Oh, they're having it. Oh, I'm sorry. He's saying, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Entertainment at the gravel pit. Meanwhile, we're all still waiting in line. Man, there's a long line. There's a lot of trucks in front of me. Yeah, they move. See that? Look how many trucks. Man, I'm gonna be here forever. I got hot asphalt in the trailer. Should have a hot asphalt line. And there you go. Green guy, he backed up. Okay. All right, we got a hot ass load of hot asphalt. Now, jam back to my place because the time's a ticking. This stuff sets up. So hurry up. I had to wait in line a long time, man. Get back to my place, get this stuff unloaded and start spreading it. Woo-wee, hot stuff. Okay, let's finish getting this unloaded. Get on the JCB. bad for a guy with a forklift, a skid steer, and a dump trailer, huh? What do you think? Not bad at all. You know, all in all, some of this stuff along the edges, that'll break away and go away as gravel, and you'll be left with the good stuff, which is right here, obviously. That should keep my trailer from wanting to slide across the road as I come into my driveway. But all in all, I'm gonna say a job pretty well done. Pretty well done. So I'm gonna keep rolling on this with the forklift, keep packing it in, get her smashed in. Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next one. Hey, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. See ya.